Before you make your first dollar today, you're probably going to spend money. Not only are you going to spend money, the prices are going up too, and you have not come up with a strategy to combat this current inflation. With prices are going up everywhere, for gas, food, and especially for bills, you should be using tools that keep money in your pocket or give you money back. Now here's the real question. Are you using any of these tools to save you money? Or are you just watching it disappear? Because in today's economy, doing nothing with your spending is like leaving money on the table, or worse, it's like flushing it down the toilet. And most people don't even realize it. Here's what's happening right now. Prices are going up. Inflation is hitting everything. Everybody is feeling it. You even hear it every day in our conversations. But most people are still buying the same way they did years ago, even with the prices going up. With no change in their purchase strategy, even if you are getting paid more, you are just spending more, which leaves you with no extra money to work with at the end. You work hard for your money, but your money isn't working for you. And that's the gap we need to fix. Now here's the shift. We don't just have to spend, we have to learn to optimize our buying. Learn to turn everyday purchases into cashback rewards, or discounts, or even into small investments. Check out Acorn's investment app for that. Think of it like this. If you're already spending money anyway, why not get a piece of it back if that's an option? It will be worth it in the long run. And this is where the right tools come in. There are platforms designed to quietly put money back in your pocket while you live your normal life. For example, using Upside, you can earn cash back on gas and everyday purchases at grocery stores. With Capital One Shopping, you can automatically find better prices and apply coupons without even thinking about it. Platforms like Yazing and Shopback give you cash back when you shop online. These are money you were already spending anyway when you buy everyday products. Then you've got tools like Acorns, which take your spare change and turn it into long-term investments. And even platforms like Hello Skip help you find financial opportunities that most people overlook. Individually, these might seem small, but stacked together, they become powerful. This is what most people miss. It's not about using one app. It's about stacking the system. Let's say you use a cashback app. Then you can apply a coupon, also earn rewards from your card. Then the best part is you can invest the cashback rewards. Imagine one purchase that is working in multiple ways. That's what you want. You want your money to move from spending money to circulating money. And in today's economy, these strategies shift is a must. Now if you're thinking, all right, this makes sense, but how do I actually set this up? I put everything into a simple guide for you. The Ultimate Cashback and Savings Playbook. It breaks down the best platforms to use, how each one works, and how to stack them step by step. You can download it right now. The link is in the description. At the end of the day, you don't need to make more money to start winning. You just need to stop losing the money you already have. Be intentional, be strategic, and let your money work with you. If you got value from this, hit that like button and drop "I keep more of my money" in the comments.